are some of the tips for naturally achieving the enlargement you are aspiring to achieve. Workout with less hair. Penis workouts are exercises that you can perform to make your little guy bigger and better. To facilitate better workouts, consider shaving or trimming the hair from your lower region. Some movements can pull some strands, and that will most certainly be painful. In order to freely move, without worrying about pulled strands, it will be best to trim your hair down there or completely shave them off. Hair at the base of a man's penis can make it look smaller or shorter, too. Eat well to grow big. Healthy eating has been thought since grade school as essential to proper growth. What and how you eat will have an effect not only on your body, in general, but also on your penis size and girth. Furthermore, your diet will also have an influence on the effectiveness of any strategy you are implementing to boost dimension of your member. Eat foods that are loaded with nutrients. You need to eat foods rich in antioxidants, like berries. You also need to consume foods that have reduced amounts of saturated fats such as salmon so that the size of your erection will increase. Stop your addictions. You have another good reason for abandoning your addictions and unhealthy cravings like smoking cigarettes. Smoking can have a negative effect not only on your overall health, but also on your sexual well-being. Smoking can impede the efficiency of any method you are using to enlarge your penis. When you drink alcohol too much, it can also negatively affect your sexual performance. Either you will fail to achieve a hard-on or fail to reach climax when you are overly drunk. Warm up your penis. To warm up your little buddy before an exercise or workout, you can use a warm towel to wrap your penis with. This warm-up will facilitate in better blood circulation through your shaft. Let the warm towel or cloth hand or wrap on your lower area for about 5 minutes. It will also be great to have a hot shower. If you have noticed, a penis usually shrinks when exposed to cold water. The opposite effect will result with hot water. It will assist in improving the flow of blood to the organ so it can achieve better erection, thus better length and girth. Use herbal techniques. Natural methods will not be complete without herbal cures and techniques. Herbs have been used not only in the kitchen, but also in medicine to treat various conditions. There are herbs that can be used to achieve your penis enhancement goals. In addition, these herbs are also significant ingredients used in making male enhancement products in the market. Epimedium leaf is one example of herb for penile enlargement. It is also called as horny goat weed. It is used for boosting male erectile functions. Flow of blood to the male organ is increased by this herb. With better blood flow, you can also obtain better erection, better size and better girth. Another function of this herb is to stimulate release of testosterone, the male hormone responsible for male libido and sexual endurance. Another herb in this regard is ginkgo biloba. Taking and using this herb constantly will help give you solid and hard erections, plus better performance on bed. Other sex-related problems can also be treated and managed by ginkgo biloba.